a world of health on your plate. We all want to live healthier lives, and one of the best ways to do that is by eating the foods that fuel our bodies. But did you know that some countries have long been known for having some of the healthiest diets in the world? Today, let's take a quick tour around the globe to explore the food habits of countries with the healthiest diets. First stop, Japan. The Japanese diet is often praised for its simplicity and balance. Think fresh fish, rice, and vegetables, with a strong emphasis on seasonal ingredients. The Japanese eat a variety of fish, from fatty salmon to mackerel, which are packed with omega-3s known for supporting heart health. They also enjoy a lot of fermented foods like kimchi and miso, which are great for digestion. And don't forget the green tea, packed with antioxidants that help protect the body from disease. Next, let's head to the Mediterranean region, where the Mediterranean diet reigns supreme. In countries like Greece, Italy, and Spain, meals are all about fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Olive oil is a staple, known for its heart-healthy fats, while fresh vegetables like tomatoes, leafy greens, and eggplants take center stage. Whole grains, fish, and nuts complete the meal. And a glass of red wine? Moderation is key, but it's also packed with antioxidants. Now let's talk about South Korea. The Korean diet revolves around fresh, nutrient-rich foods like rice, vegetables, fish, and fermented delicacies. Kimchi, fermented vegetables like cabbage or radishes, is a beloved side dish in Korea, known for its gut health benefits. A traditional Korean meal includes a variety of dishes providing a balanced mix of fiber, protein, and antioxidants, all with minimal fat. Heading north to Sweden and Norway, we find diets focused on whole grains, root vegetables, and fish, particularly the omega-3 rich salmon and mackerel. These countries have some of the lowest rates of heart disease, thanks to their diet that's low in processed foods and packed with nutrients. Swedes and Norwegians also consume fermented dairy products like yogurt, which supports a healthy gut microbiome. Iceland is another Nordic country with a diet rich in fish, especially cod and haddock. Icelandic cuisine also includes lamb root vegetables and rye bread. Much like their Scandinavian neighbors, the diet is nutrient-dense and low in processed foods. The focus on grass-fed free-range meats and wild-caught fish provides a wealth of healthy fats and proteins. Next up we have France. You might be surprised to learn that the French are known for their indulgent foods, but they also focus on portion control and high-quality ingredients. The Mediterranean influence shows through with plenty of vegetables, whole grains, fish, and moderate amounts of cheese and wine. In fact, the French paradox, where people eat a relatively high-fat diet but have low rates of heart disease, can be attributed to their approach of eating in moderation and savoring each meal. India offers another great example of healthy eating, especially with its plant-based focus. Many Indians follow vegetarian or vegan diets, filled with lentils, beans, vegetables, and whole grains. Spices like turmeric and cumin add flavor, while providing anti-inflammatory benefits. Indian cuisine is also rich in probiotics from foods like yogurt and fermented dishes. In Vietnam, the diet is light, fresh, and vibrant. The Vietnamese love their herbs, like cilantro, basil, and mint, which add flavor and nutrition. Pho, a noodle soup with fresh vegetables, herbs, and lean meat or fish, is a classic dish that's as nutritious as it is delicious. The focus is on minimal oil and fresh ingredients, and the result is a balanced, heart-healthy diet. And last, but certainly not least, let's talk about Costa Rica, home to one of the world's blue zones, areas where people live longer and healthier lives. The Costa Rican diet is centered around rice and beans, along with lots of fresh vegetables and tropical fruits, like papaya and mango. The locals also enjoy fish and fresh fruit smoothies, packed with nutrients to keep their bodies in top shape. So, what do all these countries have in common? A focus on fresh, whole foods, moderation, and a balanced approach to nutrition. Whether it's the heart-healthy fats of the Mediterranean, the fiber-packed meals of Korea, or the plant-based dishes of India, these healthy food habits can help you live a longer, healthier life. So why not take a little inspiration from around the world and make your meals a celebration of health? Thanks for joining us on this global food tour. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Here's to eating well and living well.